Hello, student. Today I'm going to show you the roadmap for Java developer. तो बेसिकली आज के समय में बहुत सारे लैंग्वेजेस हैं मार्केट में एंड आप लोग बहुत कंफ्यूज हो गए कि किस लैंग्वेज पे मुझे कैरियर बनाना है या कौन सा लैंग्वेज ज़्यादा समय तक मेरे साथ सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री में साथ दे सकता है। तो डेफिनेटली आज हम लोग उस पर बात करेंगे। सो स्टार्टिंग विथ द बेसिक। Welcome to the ultimate roadmap for learning Java. Whether you are talking your first step into programming or looking to dive into a language that power everything from desktop app to enterprise edition, from web app to mobile app. So definitely, first we need to know why Java. With compared to other very famous language like Python, JavaScript, C Sharp, all these are famous. But why we go for Java? Definitely, Java provide you unique features beside all other languages. First, one of the best feature is platform independent, and Java mantra is write once, run anywhere. Due to its virtual Java virtual machine, this can be possible, and this is possible. Second, Java is robust language and it's very secure. So with a strong error handling and security-centric design, Java has been the choice for developing mission-critical systems. And most of the secure system nowadays working with Java platform only. Next, that is the powerhouse of Java, or you can say most of the languages following nowadays, that is object-oriented. So definitely, Java designs promote clean, modular, and scalable code that helps project maintainable over time. And the large ecosystem that Java provides. From libraries to framework and community support, Java ecosystem is unmatched, empowering developers across industry like finance, healthcare, and technology. These are the top of the Java development software. In the finance sector, it is very useful, and we can develop very secure software with the help of Java. So in the market, it's crowded with the various languages, but due to the Java support, robust architecture, consistent performance, and scalability, makes it truly unique in the competitive development field. So first, we need to learn the basic, and in the basic, definitely we will have some basic knowledge that can be uh, learned from any of the language. But when you come to learn Java, definitely you have to begin with the basic, like basic syntax of Java, data type, variable declaration, controller structure, basic input output. These are the basic, and you can learn it in another language, compiler-based language. But when you come to the Java, you must familiar with the syntax. So you must practice some of the basic questions when you come to learn Java initially. And in the initial, you have to learn the basic of programming with the Java syntax. So in the basic, we have to learn all arrays, loop, basic loop, and all. Then definitely it will come to the object-oriented platform. And within the object-oriented platform, due to its pure object-oriented language case, so in that we have to learn a lot of things, but in concern with the object-oriented, that is also real-world solution, problem solution. So within that, Java provides you the basic of class, object, where you can learn also the object-oriented features like encapsulation, abstraction, that is, you must hide the detail and exposing only the necessary, which is which you want to show to the end user. Other, otherwise you hide all the things. The next feature is polymorphism. Definitely, with the help of polymorphism, you can use overloading and overriding features. That is very good, and you this help very much in the programming. And after that, you have to learn the inheritance feature where we can share the characteristics from parent class to child class. And definitely, there comes with the generalization and specialization concept where you can write the generalized classes, and you can also write the specialized classes, where specialized classes must inherit or must take the generalized characteristic from parent class. Likewise, so definitely within the object-oriented programming scenario, you have to learn this all things very carefully, because this gives you the base of uses of your Java. So these are the basic concept of object oriented. So you must learn in the form of Java, because in the C++ there must be the hybrid concept where you can follow the structure and the object oriented both. But in the Java language, it's complete, or you can say it's pure object oriented programming platform. So you have to learn with the scenario or with the rules and regulation of Java, so that you can follow all the OOP concept. And definitely to make it robust, we have exception handling concept. So definitely exception handling concept gives you that way of writing code that error can be handled at runtime, and unforeseen error you can handle at runtime, and this makes your software robust. So try and catch block will help you to use the exception handling concept. And definitely you will find file handling concept also, because read and write is the crucial part of any of the programming language, where you can read data from any file, or you can write data to a file. That is very important when you write a professional enterprise development software. So definitely file handling is one of the feature you can use, learn. Then these are the basic concept where you can learn all these Java concept, Java features, and object-oriented programming, exception handling, file handling. Then you can dive into the advanced concept where you encountered first that collection framework, because it helps a lot when you're working with the data, and where you're working with the data sets like structure. So you must need collection framework, and it is very good collection framework. It contains array list, queue, stack, all this you need. So there is ready-made classes of all these collection frameworks. Just you need to know how to use it, and what are the different method which belongs to the classes, so that you can use different classes with their respective methods, so to fulfill all the collection framework structure. So definitely you will find lots of library related to collection framework, and with the help of collection framework, you can write a good data set, and you can use good data set structure. Then definitely when you work with a large software, so definitely you need multi-threading like of things, where you can write concurrent programming or concurrent code to run simultaneously. That is a requirement for the nowadays, where we have to run different set of instruction at the same time. So we definitely need multi-threaded programming structure. So Java support it very easy format. So you can easily learn the multi-threaded structure or multi-threaded concept within the Java, and you can implement that very easily. So definitely, after that, you need database connectivity, because without database, you cannot store the data and you cannot process the data. So definitely, you need JDBC. So there is the various way to use JDBC. or you can say the database connectivity, where you can find the ready-made frameworks also. And you can also, in the initial, you can just begin learning with the JDBC, and where you can learn all the syntax very easily with some of the very simple coding structure. And lots of APIs also support this database connectivity. So just you learn first JDBC, and then you start learning the database framework which is available within Java. So with the help of some tutorials or some of the good books, you can learn it very easily. So after learning this all features and all the basic of Java, you will able to develop uh, softwares like web development or mobile development. So when you go for the web development, you have to learn uh, uh, technology like Servlet and JSP, where you can have the basic understanding of web application. And definitely with the help of framework like a Spring framework, a Hibernate. Hibernate is used for the database connectivity, and a Spring framework is to build a robust enterprise level application. So now with the help of these all frameworks and web development structure, you will develop web app. And for the mobile application development, you can just learn the Android structure, and with the Android structure, you can use Java language, and also you can use Kotlin. But most of the companies prefer Java because Java is more familiar than Kotlin. When you go for the mobile development or mobile app development, so Java support it very well. And because it support various platform like a web platform and Java mobile platform. So most of the programmer learn this language for developing both the platform. And definitely, if you compare with the other language, Java, definitely you can find Java ahead from the other language, where it compares to the platform independence, when it compares with the robustness and security features, where when you compare with the scalability, when you compare with the ecosystem and libraries. So definitely. Uh, Languages like Python and JavaScript are excellent for rapid prototyping and web development, but Java structure is designed to handle the rigorous demand of enterprise level application. So this makes Java not only unique, but a dependable foundation for your long-term career in software development. So I hope you are able to understand what I'm trying to tell you, that why you learn Java, and why Java will help you for your long run career, not for the short term career, because you are not going for the short term career. You are going for the long term career, where with respect to Java, you can find your career larger in respect to other languages which are already in market, and which having some havoc that particular JS language or particular Python will give you all the things, but there is certain limitation of that language. But when you go for the Java, it will give you varieties and very scalable way to develop software. So definitely, in my understanding, you will go for Java, learn Java in depth, starting with the beginning, or you can say the basic of Java. And after learning basic of Java, definitely you have to go for the mastering Java with the advanced concept. And definitely you have to learn the frameworks, because Java having strong frameworks that support all these features very strongly. So I hope I am clear with you. So thank you for joining us on this roadmap to mastering Java. So grab your notepad, fire up your IDE, and start coding today. Stay curious, keep learning, and watch how opens door to exciting possibilities. Thank you, guys.